He's conned everyone, really, to be honest, with that last fight. You know, I've seen better belts sold in Matalan, if I'm being totally honest. But that's just my opinion, you know. Don't pretend to be a world champion. It's nothing to be worth pretending to be. I think he's a good fighter. I do think the boy can fight. Boxer, not really, no. But as a fighter, great on the inside, solid all round on there, mixing it up. But I think he'll lose when he comes to a talented boxer, as he already has done when he came to Billy Joe Saunders. He was beaten by Billy Joe Saunders once, and I believe he'll be beaten once again. And I hope he enjoyed that stint in Miami with the Playboy on the jet skis, because worked out that it didn't work out at all, didn't it, lads? So enjoy that one.
Everyone knows without that injury, you would have got banged. Rematch will come down to super middle, and I'll show you what boxing is about. As you can see on screen, those are the words of Chris Eubank Jr. talking to Tony Bellew on social media. Now, even myself, at times, I find it difficult to tell whether the Eubanks are being serious or whether they're being tongue-in-cheek with a lot of things that they say. But surely here, Eubank Jr. is being tongue-in-cheek. He's having a giggle when he tells Tony Bellew to come down to super middleweight. Surely. Tony Bellew absolutely killed himself to get down to light heavyweight. He's never fought at super middleweight. I don't think it's actually possible for him to fight at super middleweight unless he was literally wheeled to the boxing ring in a wheelchair. That's how dehydrated and depleted he would have to be to make 168 pounds. So it seems as though Chris Eubank Jr. is having a bit of a laugh here. Maybe Bellew has been saying God knows what on social media, and Chris Eubank Jr. felt like he had to chime in. Whatever the case may be, let me know how you feel about it. Drop your comments in the comment section below. Is Chris Eubank Jr. serious here? Is he having a laugh? Let me know what you think. It's happening. I'm out.